Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on your Pokerstars account on computer. So you want to go down to here, open up the Pokerstars app, from there press your account picture in the top right, and that will open up your account settings. Alternatively, you can go down to the gear icon and then settings button on the right hand side, open that, go down to your account details, and then it's going to show you your picture right here with all of your account details. Press on the change image button below your picture. Give it a little second to open, and from there it basically says that this is your custom image that you can use at the poker tables. Player image submissions remaining, so you can change your picture 3 times, and from there I want to change the picture, so I'm going to press select new image, press that, go down to other, and then that's going to give you the option to upload a file from your hard drive. I'm going to press the MyTech Mastery logo for this channel, and from there press done after you've cropped or resized the image. Your new image selection has been received and put in a queue for screening. Screening time will vary based on the number of images submitted. So it's essentially going to say that Pokerstars is going to review this image and either accept or deny the image. So there you go. It's pending approval right now. So you can go to OK and start playing at the poker tables on Pokerstars. Thanks very much, guys. This has been another video for the MyTech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks.